I'm here doing the Rog Kreaton. It's a 48-hour challenge where we work in teams to create something all together.
I came here because I saw this as a great opportunity to experience more things.
Ta kreativen izziv, da nekaj ustvarjaš v skupini z mentorji iz tujine.
I just wanted to get my hands dirty.
Stiamo frammentando degli oggetti per restituire una nuova funzione a questi oggetti.
We are creating egg dishes from egg pastes that we are making in the lab.
We are working towards making a functional object for a hypothetical nomadic world.
Rog Center itself is so good. There's so many different kind of workshops that you can learn from.
Wonderful experience.
And gotten to learn new things as well in the workshops.
Vibe of being around other creative people and being able to share like a moment of free creativity.
It's very fast-paced.
Exciting, innovative.
Experimental, it's definitely collaborative.
But it's been really fun overall, and I think when we're all finished, it'll be a really rewarding experience as well.
Absolutely, I would do it again.
The atmosphere is really nice, the labs are so clean.
The ambience in Rog Center is very fun.
Se mi zdi, da je dobro spoznati ljudi, ki imamo vsi podobne ambicije.
I wish you could adopt me and I can stay here forever.
It's such a good experience to meet new people and try out to use facilities like this, which are not usually available.
Yeah, it's great.